first step is to sign up to ManyChat. I advise to choose Facebook to create the account. Connect with Facebook and log in with your credentials. Upgrade to ManyChat Pro, which will allow me to integrate custom artificial intelligence. Next, go to Settings, Team Members, and generate an invitation link. Choose Admin Permissions. Copy the link and send it to me. If you want the chatbot to function on your Instagram account, go to Channels, Instagram and connect to your Instagram business profile as shown. For the knowledge base, we need to integrate Google Sheet. Go to Extensions, Integrations. Scroll to the top and connect your Google Sheet account. Artificial intelligence is powered by OpenAI, the same technology behind ChatGPT. Log in into your account or create one. In order to integrate the artificial intelligence in the chatbot, I need something called API key. Go to View API Keys, create a new secret key. Give it a proper name. Then copy the key and send it to me. You must set up your billing preferences related to your OpenAI account. Go to Billing and insert the required information. Let's move on to the last step. The knowledge base. Create a blank Google Sheet file. Give it a proper name. To share the file with me, press on Share, share with anyone who has the link, change the role to Editor. Copy the link and send it to me. That's it. You have completed all steps. Congratulations.